Hi, and welcome to another video in the YBT video training series. In this session, we'll describe how to add a new to-be-named or TBN employee. Assume you are planning for a recently approved M&P position. This new financial analyst will be paid $52,000 annually and will begin in January 2013. We'll use the Employees tab in the Labor Planning Workbook to plan for the new employee. We'll use the Allocations tab to allocate the salary. The first step is to add the row for the new employee. We'll click the Add Rows button. We're adding the new row on the Employees tab first, so I will choose 1 Employees. We're adding a managerial and professional employee. YBT scrolls to the bottom of the M&P section and adds a new employee record. We see a dummy UP value in column Z. The position name field displays to be named automatically. If the person you are going to hire is a current Yale M&P, identify them using the employee pick list. We'll leave this one at to be named. We will use the position name pick list to identify the position name. Double-click. Type a search phrase in the box that displays. We'll search for financial since we're hiring a financial analyst. YBT filters any position names not matching our search. Select the Financial Analyst 23 position. Click the OK button. The position name displays. Next, we need to enter the start date. Select column AG to enter the planned start date. Click the down arrow to choose a date. Select Jan 2013. Press the Tab key. We'll verify the remaining information. Job class. Fringe code is S for salary, which is correct for an M&P. This employee will be 100% FTE. We'll type 52,000 in the salary field and press the Enter key. That concludes the work on the Employees tab. Next, we'll complete the tasks on the Allocations tab. The first step is to add a row for the employee on the Allocations tab. Click Add Rows. Since the record is meant for the Allocations tab, we'll choose 2 Allocations, and then choose the type of employee. In our case, this employee will be a home employee. We're brought to the Allocations tab. With home employees in a group at the top and the split-in employees grouped at the bottom. The new employee record displays at the bottom of the home employees section. We'll want to link this record to the one we previously added on the Employees tab using a cell reference. Click in column AU, the UP field, to begin. Type an equal sign. Click the Employees tab. The Employees tab displays and we see the employee record we previously added. Click on the cell containing the UP value. Press the Enter key to complete the cell reference process. Now we're back in the Allocations tab and the 2 records are connected as evidenced by the presence of the position name and org values. Now we need to add a new regular salary earnings element for this employee. We'll add it using the link provided. We'll choose the type of pay we're planning. In this case, it will be regular. And we'll click the OK button. Next, we'll click the Choose Value button. And then select Regular Salary. We'll click the OK button. And then we'll click the OK button once more to confirm the choice. The regular salary block is inserted. Now we'll add the row for the potato using the link for the new allocation provided. Select the type of potato you'll use. In this case, it's a potato home. Click the OK button. The new potato block is added. Enter the potato information. Enter the project_task value. Next is the award. Enter the expense type or use the expense type pick list. We'll demonstrate the pick list in a bit. Enter the org value here. Double-click the expense type pick list to choose the expense type. We'll select the Staff M&P expense type and click the OK button. The correct expense type code from M&P staff displays. After entering the potato information, we'll need to enter an allocation percentage for each month. Let's scroll to the right to view the monthly buckets of the Allocations tab. Stopping in column BZ, January 2013. Here we'll enter the allocation percentage. In this case, it's 100. So type 100 and press Enter. Using Excel's Fill Right command, we're going to enter the allocations for the remaining months of the plan. $100 is entered in all months from January 2013 through June 2013. Looking at the next year plan, FTE, and salary columns, BE and BF, we see the allocations have been correctly entered. Since the employee is not allocated at all for the first 6 months of the fiscal year and is allocated at 100% for the final 6 months, the average for the fiscal year is 50%. So the salary for the fiscal year will be 50% of the $52,000 or $26,000. In this video, we demonstrated the steps for planning for a new TBN employee. We added the record on the Employees tab and entered the name, position, start date, and salary. We entered a record on the Allocations tab and linked the two records. We added a regular salary allocation, entered a potato, and allocated the charges appropriately. Thanks for your time today. If you have questions or comments, please send them to ybtsupport@yale.edu. Have a great day.